So it's early morning here in Kanagawa, and you can see a beautiful, a perfect view of an early morning here. Japan is overall a beautiful country, and if you visit any prefecture in Japan or be in any place, it's giving a perfect and nice view. See the things around me, like if I go on backside, and I'm amazed at like the level of facilities they have provided everywhere, be it a city, be it somewhere like rural areas, even in a far off remote areas, you'll find similar kind of facilities everywhere. So this is what like which is surprising me. This is not something which is very common in our countries. Even the like cities, we have seen a lot of segregations and disparities between different areas, and particularly between big cities and small cities. But over here, yeah, see their drainage system, and there is no smell. Believe me, like we are passing through quite near to this drains, but they have mixed some kind of maybe chlorinated things which are not creating any kind of smell, and they're retreating their waters at the best level. So this is what they are famous at doing these things, and this is why they are one of the most developed and disciplined nations in the world. So we are learning a lot of lessons apart from our studies. I'm trying to gather a lot of things which I'll try to incorporate or try to suggest to our authorities to do. To see some Pakistani laundas are in front of me. Three of them. One of the other. You can see Azhar is there, and then Axion. Yeah, Axion is also there, and Navid San. So Navid San actually he knows a bit of Japanese, maybe 10, 12 words. Yeah, a few sentences. Now I like I guess now equal amount of Japanese. Before this, he knew a bit of more words, and then Azhar-san. Azhar spent two semester in learning Japanese, but unfortunately, he is unable to speak. Actually, Azhar's.
He pretends that he's a Japanese speaker.
Yeah, actually, Azhar's main motto of staying in Japan is to earn money,
Yeah.
and this is what he's good
I
at.
had a target in my mind that I have to have that much amount of money when I have to go back to Pakistan. So Alhamdulillah, I have done pretty well now.
So how much dihadi are you expecting today?
10,000 yen, inshallah.
No, not yen in PKR because it's a Pakistani audience. So,
So 15,000.
oh, PKR. Oh, and on this side you can see Navid is struggling, I guess, to walk. I don't know why, but actually he's a facilitator and a supporter. Their role is to portray and in a different way.
Just arrived our destination.
Maybe we are the first one to arrive. So stay with us. See you.
Sayonara.